Many companies can benefit use Google Ads. Absolutely, companies can benefit from using Google Ads in various ways, depending on their goals and strategies. Here are some common ways in different companies can benefit from Google Ads. Increasing website traffic, lead generation, e-commerce sales, brand awareness, local business promotion, app installations, remarketing, event promotion, competitive advantage, cost control, seasonal promotions. Ultimately, the success of a Google Ads campaign depends on a company's specified objective, target audience, budget, and ongoing optimization efforts. It's essential to tailor the approach to align with business goals and adapt strategies as needed for the best results. Munia Network team can be your partner to make your business successful through Google Ads. For more details, contact us number below or send a message on the page. Thank you.